Stuck seeing no results every time you type a new tag in Zendesk? Learn how to save custom tags and make them auto-suggest in just 2 minutes. Open a ticket, find Tags on the left panel, type your tag, click Add Tag, and submit. We'll remove it to confirm it's saved. First, head over to the Zendesk homepage to get started. Then, open up a ticket so you can work with tags. Once the ticket's open, you'll see a left side panel. Go ahead and locate the Tags section there. Now type in the tag you want to save, like Technical Support. You'll notice there are no results yet, so click on Add Tag to save it. Then hit Submit as Open in the lower right corner to move forward. Now, let's remove the tag we just added, just to walk through it. Now, when you type Technical Support again, you'll see it appears in the results. That means you've successfully created a tag. Nice job! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.